let's jump into the Bitcoin chart.
I thought I died. I thought I died. Guys, don't. I thought I died. Don't short Bitcoin. Don't short Bitcoin. I just thought I died. Don't do it. What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a fantastic Friday. It's the weekend. Let's friggin' go. Bitcoin's getting a nice pump going into the weekend. 41,000 as we speak right friggin' now. Let's friggin' go. We're gonna do one pump music, even though we're not really pumping right now, but we're getting a celebratory pump music to start the stream today. Let's friggin' get it. All right, so Bitcoin got a nice pump today, right? A lot of people were calling for a pullback, including myself, right? But what is one thing that I did state yesterday, guys? I did state that even though we do need a pullback eventually for Bitcoin, Bitcoin has a mind of its own, right? And it's not going to pull back unless Bitcoin decides to pull back itself, right? It does not care about what we think about Bitcoin right now, okay? It does not friggin' think, it does not care what we think, okay? It has a mind of its own, right? We're gonna go over all the time frame charts, the 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, but I don't think Bitcoin is done pumping tonight, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly why. So if we look here, kind of where we're at right now. So we got a pump all the way up to approximately about 41,500 today, okay? We're now sitting at about 41,100, all right? So the first thing I do wanna say is this sell-off from the bears is extremely weak, and if you are a bear, well, you should probably start unzipping because this sell-off that you're seeing right now is completely embarrassing from the bears. And I don't think that we are done pumping tonight. I think we're going to be retesting at least 41,800 tonight, in my personal opinion. Okay. But if you look at kind of what happened today, I want to start off with the 4 hour time frame chart. And I kind of was noticing this earlier today. I didn't see a lot of people talking about it, but we did have bullish divergence on the 4 hour time frame. So when we started dipping right here, it seemed like we were going to come back down and test maybe these lower $6,000 level, $37,000 level. But if you notice, we did form a bullish divergence where we actually had higher lows on the price action on the 4 hour, and we had lower lows on the RSI on the 4 hour, which inherently was perfect and get a nice bounce up to the upside. Absolutely freaking perfect. We actually look at our Fibonacci's too, right here. We actually bounced perfectly off our 0.5 Fibonacci on a closed basis right here. Absolutely perfect. So that was a perfect kind of point for Bitcoin to bounce there. And another reason why I do love using the RSI, because it can tell you a lot of times that Bitcoin is looking a little bearish. Can tell you that it might be a little bit of a little bit hidden of an indicator there. So what is next for BTC? Well, like I said, 41,800 is our next big resistance as we kind of look up today. Sorry if I started a little bit early and you guys are missing the stream, I had to start it early because I did not want to miss the pump today. Even though we're not getting it just yet, I feel like I got another jingling in my little bottom drawers there, which we've been talking about lately. I've been having a lot of those, and every day I seem to have those little jinglings in my little pantalones. We tend to get another pump to the upside. But if we look at our next resistance, the level I'm looking at up here is right up here at approximately about 41,800. Why is that level so important? Well, if we look, that's where we closed up on all these highs from back here earlier in May. So what I'm looking at personally is these highs up here, right? You see these highs and you see these highs. We closed up perfectly about 41,800. It's not perfectly there, but thanks, Chad. Appreciate the nice words, man. That's obviously greatly appreciated. The nice words, kind words go 1,000 different ways to me. So I definitely appreciate it, man. I really do take those to heart. I really do. But 41,800, you can see why that's such an important level. We break back above that, guys, we don't really have much. You know, we have obviously our wicks up here towards 42,500, which we'll look at next if we do break that level. But right now we are looking really good on the shorter term time frames. Let me actually get back over here. So much price action now scrolling over. It's kind of crazy. Now, if we do get a pullback, right, let's go over our kind of our, I guess, our really, really short-term bear scenario, aka maybe the next like hour or two, right? If we do get a pullback from this point, I don't see us right now really dipping below about 40,600 where we kind of had these previous highs. Obviously, this one was a little bit higher, but I don't see us going about below that right now, at least. Not until we test 41,800, in my opinion. You see the hourly RSI, it is slightly overbought here, but we do still have room to run, right? We've gotten as high as a 90 on the RSI. We're currently sitting at a 70. So we still have room to run on the shorter term time frames if we really want to continue to pump to the upside. If you guys didn't see Job of the Short in the beginning of on the stream, I recommend going to watch it. He actually passed out in the beginning of the stream. He was actually passed out in my chair. I had to wake him up. He literally passed out. If you guys missed that, make sure you guys rewind and watch the stream in the beginning, okay? It was definitely worth it. It's definitely worth it. All right, so that's really that, guys. 4 hours, same thing, right? Sort of looking at that same level. 4 hour, the top is like 42,000. We look left. Let's see, 41,500. It's a little bit different on the 4 hour, but you know, I'm more so worried about the 1 hour at the current moment. But beautiful bullish divergence. We'll continue to see if this gives us any more of a indication on what's to come. You know, one thing I will notice is we do have this sort of upwards resistance line coming across here. We actually do have 3 touches on this now pretty perfectly if you look here. So I don't know, are we forming maybe some type of wedge pattern up here? That's obviously something we'll have to wait and see. But we do have 3 perfect touches on a straight line here. Could just be a coincidence at the moment, but it might not actually be a coincidence. So we'll have to wait and see what actually does play out here for BTC on the shorter term time frames. Now, this is what I'm worried about, guys. I'm worried about more so the daily time frame. Okay, literally the daily time frame. This is what's important right now. If we look, we are now above the 100-day moving average. Okay, the simple moving average. We've been talking about that the last couple of days. We've been struggling to break that 100-day moving average a lot. Oh, absolutely, Craig. What's going on, Craig? I saw you in, I was actually watching another stream earlier, and I saw you in there, my friend. What's up, dude? Algo said, Jordan got a nice chair there. Yeah, you guys want to see the chair? If you guys been a fan of the stream for a while, still got my old trusty chair here. It'll never leave. It's a staple of the stream at this point. You guys have been missing it for a while because I was standing up. Decided to sit back down. You know, my overall, my shoulder and my back are feeling a lot better. If you guys didn't know, I got a little shoulder and semi-back injury. So I was standing up. That's what they told me to do. So that's feeling a lot better now. So I can kind of sit down for longer periods of time now. I'll probably be switching off between sitting and standing up going forward, but that's definitely good news for me. Anyways, the 100-day moving average, we are now back above that. And if we can close above that, that's going to be super bullish. Obviously, we know the last couple of days, we wicked up to this 100-day moving average 3 times and could not get back over that. But right now, we are clearly above that, right? That's sitting at 40, actually, right now, about 40,181. So we are about $1,000 over that. So it looks like it's pretty likely that we're going to close over that unless we see some massive sell-off here, you know, over the course of the next, you know, hour and a half. I feel like I feel so weird starting the stream early. I think I've started at 7 every day for the past like 4 months. It just feels weird, you know, being 6:30 here. But our next level that I'm looking at, obviously we got to break, right, our previous highs. But if we break our previous, actually, well, if you just kind of look at it from this sense, on our close basis, it looks like we're going to make a higher high on our close. And that's what's really important for me, is making a higher high on the close. So that's looking super good. You know, so in reality, for me, it's this 200-day SMA up here at 44,685. That's the next big level for me, right? Obviously, we have a couple different levels looking left. Everyone's kind of talking about 42,000, 42,500 might be kind of a headache on some of the shorter term time frames, but really on the daily, it's the 200-day SMA, and that's up here, like I said, 44,685. That's the next big level for me. And that's where, if we can get back over that level and come back down and confirm it as support, right? That's when I start really, really, really getting like moon boyish. That's when I start literally taking the McDonald's helmet, or sorry, taking the McDonald's hat. Okay, that's when I take this hat and I throw it in the damn trash. That's when I throw it in the damn trash. So I'm never going back to McDonald's again if we break back above the 200-day moving average. So let's root for that to happen for my sake and for your sake, guys. But yeah, that's what we're really watching right now. This is not what you think it is. Let's get rid of that. This is not what you think it is. Don't get your dirty minds out of here, guys. Get your damn dirty minds out of here. All right, so then one more thing. Let's check out the weekly, and then we're gonna go back to Bitcoin. Don't worry, we'll get back to Bitcoin. Look how bullish the weekly chart looks now. Look at how bullish the weekly chart looks now. Like, we broke in on the weekly time frame, right? We have broken this previous weekly high. Clearly, obviously, we have a lot of the week to go, but as long as we close above, like I said, as long as we close above 39,000 on the weekly, we're going to make a higher high on the weekly on a close. That is super freaking bullish. Obviously, same thing as the daily. We got to get back over our 20 weekly SMA, and that's at 41,300. Bitcoin's right now 41,300 right now, but that's 44,600. But same thing. We get back over that, confirm it as support. We're going to the upside. Then you get back to BTC. We're pumping again. We're pumping again, boys. 41,300 right now for BTC. We're locked and loaded for another move to the upside. Let's get it. Let's get it, fellas. Let's get it. All right, let's do a poll real quick. I want to do a poll. I don't care if you don't want to do a poll. I'm going to do it. Everyone, once again, Algo said say hi to my chair. If you guys like my chair, if you guys missed my chair, here it is. All right, so let's see what we got going on for a poll. Let's do this. Will Bitcoin touch the 200-day SMA, right? And that was at 44,600. I think, right? 44,600. Let me just double check here. 44,600, yeah. By Sunday's close. Okay, so the question is, guys, will Bitcoin touch the 200-day SMA by Sunday's close? Okay, yes or no? I'm putting a poll up there. Let's see what you guys think. So obviously we have the rest of tonight, we have Saturday, and we have all of Sunday. So we have, 2.5 days. Will we touch 44,600 by Sunday? Yes or no in the chat. Let's judge how bullish people are here in the chat. Let's get it. All right, so that's really that. Guilty Spark said no. I'll just say yes to be positive. Positive vibes out to you, all crypto fam. What's up, Jake? Hope you're doing good, man. What's up, Waterfly? DJ Flexa. You say by Sunday's close, easy. Let's get it, my friend. Let's get it. All right. I think that's really it, guys. I mean, we're really focused on the... well, actually, one more thing is Bitcoin on our Fibonacci levels, right? From our bear market low to swing high. Another important level for us to break here is the 382 Fibonacci, right? Which is actually, if we zoom in here, was our exact wick where we got rejected on our last bounce to the upside. Okay, and you can see exactly where we are right now. We just got a wick over it, but you can see right now we are struggling with that level right now. Very, very important level, the 382 Fibonacci on the weekly candles here. It's probably even on the daily candles, but very, very important level. Obviously, it kind of correlates with the level we're at right now. So, you know, it's about 41,300. We close above that too. Dude, we're looking good. We are looking quite friggin' majestic, if you ask me. All right, BTC, let's pump so we can play the pump music again. All right, I started the stream early because we wanted the damn pump music. Okay, we already did one celebratory one, but we want a second one here. Come on, let's do it. We had the Crypto Keeper who became a member. Thank you, Crypto Keeper. Once again, guys, Saturday mornings, aka tomorrow morning, are going to be members only live streams. All right, so make sure all the members, you guys remember tomorrow morning is just for you guys, so I can answer a bunch of your guys' questions. Saturday mornings, we'll decide what time by the end of the stream today. Just a shout out, and so you guys remember tomorrow. But thank you, Crypto Keeper and Chad. Oh, we already said Chad. Marco said, thanks for what you do. Give me the cold hard truth on Tell. We'll do that in just a second, man. And Craig says, so glad I got super chats and BTC last night and not XRP. Thanks for the tips on Nexo token last night too, mate. Glad I didn't sell. Nice, man. Nice, man. Not sure what, I can't really remember what I said on Nexo yesterday, but glad you didn't sell and glad I took off for you, Craig. Definitely did. Let's see. 50K by Friday, said Hanover. Nice, dude. Nice, dude. Carr said, brother, yesterday you were talking about a pullback and now you're talking about a jump. What I will say about that, my friend, is I did say that Bitcoin does need a pullback, and I'm still standing by that. Bitcoin does need a pullback, 100%, right? But I said this yesterday in this exact terms, right? Bitcoin does need a pullback based on the indicators. But what's another thing that I've said the last couple of days? Bitcoin does not care. When Bitcoin is bullish, Bitcoin does not give a damn crap about what all of us think. Okay, so all of us in the chat could be super bearish right now. Would Bitcoin give one crap? No. Bitcoin would pump straight up to the upside, just like it's done the last couple of days. So Bitcoin on the technicals right now, right? Hourly getting up there, right? Obviously the daily RSI getting up there, still does need a pullback at some point. But Bitcoin does not care about my feelings. It does not care about your feelings. It does not care about Ethereum's feelings. And it does not care. It does not even care about Satoshi's feelings. That's how bullish Bitcoin is right now. So I will state that just so everyone's clear. Okay. Bitcoin does need a pullback. I'll definitely stand by that though. Bitcoin never needs a pullback. Facts. At this point, Bitcoin never needs a pullback. What's up, Missive 08? Just became a member, Mistiff 08. What's going on, dude? Shay said, my guy, always bring the vibes, pumps. Let's go. Jordan, aka Chris. My name's actually Jordan. You guys know my my twin brother, his name is Chris. We'll have Chris on later in the stream today. We're a little bit early. It's probably going to be probably a later or longer stream today, I'm guessing, since we have already been live for what, 20 minutes now. Craig said, how to become a Jordanite? Press that join button right on the bottom of the screen, man. I believe. I'm still not 100% sure on that, but I think there's a join button right next to where you kind of type, where you type the message, dude. I'm pretty sure on that. Pretty sure on that. Now, this is the one thing I am keeping an eye on, though. But like we said, we were in a rising wedge the other day, or we thought we were in a rising wedge the other day. We dumped back down, and then Bitcoin just decided to pump up to the upside. So, and we were looking at it like this the other day, and you can see what Bitcoin did to this one. It dumped and then boom, just went right back up. But I am watching the possibility of something like this. All of a sudden, we only have 2 touches on the bottom side here, but still watching something along the lines of this, where we could have some bearish div on this guy too. So we'll watch this, see if we can break this upwards resistance. I still don't think we're done pumping today. I just don't. Even though, you know, we're looking a little over exuberated here. The 15 minutes is at about a 77 in the RSI. Could also point to maybe some type of a pullback. Let's look at the 15 minute here. Yeah, we're consolidating pretty nicely here in the 15 minute. You can see here we're making almost perfect trend line here on the highs, and our lows, same thing, kind of just coming up with something like this. So I think we're, even if we go even to a shorter time frame, just to see, right? You guys know I don't love the shorter term time frames, but you know, just for a reference point, Bitcoin could see a nice move here somewhat soon, just based off this. We'll keep it on this, see what Bitcoin does here. We'll see if this plays out. Obviously, this has a bullish bias to the upside. Very, very bullish bias up to the upside here on the 5-minute chart. Slug said, any reason why people don't stream on Twitch simultaneously? I actually have something come up with that. I'm actually working on just that, Slug. So you guys will probably be seeing me on maybe both platforms coming up shortly here. So look on a shout out for that. I am working on that for sure, dude. Kane said, can you look at OXT? We can definitely do that, Kane, for sure, my friend. Ecom said pullbacks are to be expected, but I've had several targets for the past few days for a pullback, and Bitcoin was like, hold on, I gotta
nope.
Bitcoin was like,
nope.
And once again Bitcoin was like,
nope.
And kept going up. Exactly. Everyone I've listened to, and I've been watching a couple different videos today just to kind of get a general sentiment on the market, and everyone's kind of been saying that we probably need a little bit of a pullback here at some point. Okay, yeah, we're on the 5-minute chart right now. We're getting pretty close, guys. We're going to see another move here very, very shortly. The volume supporting that too. Volume kind of falling off here, and we're just kind of consolidating here in a smaller low pattern here. So we'll see if this is legit, right? Obviously, keep in mind that the time frame we're looking at. But if this was legit, we should see a move by, what is this? So this is 45, 50, 55, 60. We should see a move by 7 o'clock if this is legit. Okay? And let's just do our measure move just for fun, right? We're just doing this for fun. Don't take this verbatim, right? But measure move out of this would be upwards of about 42,300. Let's see if this does play out, just for fun time's sake, shall we? Slug said he earned several of my Amazon Prime subs because I've been lurking for months. Good luck on your Twitch run. Thank you, Slug. Appreciate it, man. Press the like. Yeah, press the like button, guys. We start a little bit early today, so people are still probably sleeping. People usually come on in here right at 7 because they're used to me starting at 7. That's why I was a little bit hesitant to starting early because I don't like all my 7 o'clock bros to miss out. But hit that like button. Maybe they get that notification or they see it on their home screen and see that I'm here early. You know, how much of a pullback? I'm not, you know, if I was a betting man, right, if I would say how much of a pullback, I'm still looking at this $36,400 level. I just think that would make the most sense. I mean, now it's a little bit different because you've made a higher high, right? So, you know, right now, if we were to top out at this current level, you know, our golden pocket's down here right around like 34,000. You know, so I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. I think the most logical level for us to pull back to, just based off previous support and resistance, is still about 36,400, where our last previous high was. And we had support here, but we've already tested it, right? So we've already tested that as support. You don't necessarily have to come back down and test it again. I just think, logically speaking, that's the level that would make the most sense for a pullback. but we don't need to necessarily do that. Bitcoin can just keep pumping. It just does the same thing over and over and over again. It keeps tricking us. It's like a damn trickster, right? Justice said, here late, missed a lot. Didn't know you came on early. Yeah, I was a little ambitious. You didn't really miss a lot, man. We've just been talking about a couple of the Bitcoin charts. Obviously, we got a long stream to go, so we'll look at pretty much everything over again anyways. You didn't really miss much. Just waiting on this Bitcoin move here. What do you guys think? All right, so let's check out our poll here. So will Bitcoin touch the 200-day SMA, 44,600, by Sunday's close? So people are very bullish. So out of the 800 votes we got 65% of the people said yes, 35% of the people said no. People are extremely bullish right now, and I'm not very surprised. I'm not. So we're going to end that poll there. We'll do another poll here. Let's do another poll. It's just because we're going to do, what do you guys think? Are we going to break this to the upside or downside? 5-minute triangle breakout. We're going to say upside or downside. Everyone's going to vote downside because we're going to the downside right now. Everyone's so biased to the current candle. Upside or downside, guys? Current 5-minute triangle. Which way will we break out here? Which way will we break out? Everyone's going to say downside because we're at the bottom right now. Watch. You guys are so biased. Upside. Upside's winning. All right, so that's that, guys. I'm just really excited about the daily close here. Like, closing above the 200-day moving average has been such a pain in the butt for us. It really has. Like, we couldn't do it once, twice, 3 times. 4th try, we finally got through it. That's friggin' exciting. We are probably going to close above that. Like I said, unless we see some massive dump here right before the close, which I don't see happening right at this current moment. We shall find out. Look at that, guys. This triangle's legit. Look at that. We bounced right off the bottom of the triangle perfectly. Look at that. Legit triangle. Come on. Give me my triangle drawing skills. I got T1 triangle drawing skills. I'm just kidding, guys. My triangle drawing skills are that of a 4-year-old. All right, let's check out ETH real quick. I'm gonna probably just jump through stuff today. 24,038 for Ethereum. We're right at that next resistance level for Ethereum. Why did I have that there? Hold on, let me go to the daily time frame. The daily time frame. Going across. I think that's just where we topped out last, honestly. Look left again. Yeah, I mean, it seems like the resistance is up here. Even though we kept dropping off that level. I think I just had that there because that's where we topped out once, twice, and 3 times. We actually wicked above that again. But it could be something the same as kind of for Ethereum here is, it looks like, you know, we got 3 touches coming up here. So what we don't want to do is form some type of wedge, even though this does look like a nice possible cup and handle pattern here on the 4-hour time frame. A little bit ugly, but you can see, generally speaking, we rounded out, came back down, and are trying to break out right now. We break that resistance for Ethereum. Let's just take a look at our possible breakout target here. Should be right up to our next resistance, looking up there. If my eyeballs don't deceive me, it's a little bit higher. So my eyeballs did slightly deceive me, but it looks like our next resistance is upwards of 2,700. But I think we have some resistance first at about 2629, because we look left on the daily. That's where we have sort of a couple local tops back here. Okay. So 26, 29 is probably my next resistance for Ethereum, but overall Ethereum looks super good. And unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum does still has a little bit more room to run in the daily. We aren't even into overbought territory yet, which is freaking awesome, right? So we'll see if that breaks out for Ethereum. Overall, Very, very bullish looking structure. Unless this does turn into some type of wedge, then it's obviously going to be pretty bearish. But let's see if this breaks out first, right? All right, Bitcoin bouncing right off the bottom of the triangle. Let's go. Come on. $21,000. Sorry, I was listening to the super chat there. Art said, "Hey, bro, we already pulled back to 36K and 38K. We did. We actually did. We just took a look at that. We're right at our triangle resistance right now. Right there. Let's go. Come on, BTC. You know you want to break it, my friend. All right. Thoughts on Orbit's Freeway token? Elio Trades is a fan, and Greenbank invested millions. Well, we'll take a look at that in a second, Caitlin. Catlin. Interesting way to spell Catlin or Caitlin. Very interesting. I've never seen it spelled like that. That's quite intriguing, actually. Craig said, "Hope your price call is right. Hope we break 30K euro tonight. I'll be buzzing." Did you say you seen me in another stream today? Your stream is best at the moment. Yeah, I saw you in. I think I was watching MDX. I was watching MDX earlier. Sometimes I'm in MDX's stream. I don't chat in there because, like I said, all right. Looks like we just tried to break above there. I don't chat in there because it looks like. Hold on. We do it, guys. I think we did it. I don't chat in there because I don't have the check mark yet. Once I get the check mark, I'll probably chat more in chats because I am watching a good amount of live streams sometimes, but I don't chat in there because people are going to think I'm fake, and so I can't chat in there just yet. But once I get the check mark, which hopefully, hopefully comes soon, then I will be in more of the chats. Okay. All right. Yeah, I think I saw you in there, Craig. Come on. Let's see if maybe we can adjust this triangle just a little bit here, just for accuracy's sakes. So it might be a little bit more like this, guys. I'm just kind of reconnecting the wicks here. So we might be right at the resistance. I reconnected the wicks there. So no other way to draw this. There's no other way to draw this. So let's see if this breaks out. Yeah. I still have our target up here. 42,300. Let me adjust this. I want to make this accurate. This is the most accurate 5-hour triangle ever drawn on the spot. Okay, ever drawn on the spot. We do have bearish div. Actually, we did. We're at bullish divergence there on the 5-minute. Kind of already played out though. So we'll see if that continues to play out, but we're right there, bro. Right there. Volume's super low, right? Volume is continuing to drop off here, which usually means that a move is coming pretty soon. You guys can see the volume down here. Volume's kind of dropping off. So I'm expecting a move here for the next 20 minutes or so. Next 15, 20 minutes should be a move. Let's check out Ethereum real quick. Let's see what Ethereum's doing on the super short-term time frames. Hourly, just chilling. We're chilling right at that kind of cup and handle resistance. Same thing for Ethereum. If Bitcoin blows, Ethereum's going to blow too. So Thanks, Craig. Appreciate it, dude. Kiss the bull flag on the 5 minute. Could be. All right, here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Boom, hey, dun, 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 hey. All right. Come on, BTC. Get up there, bro. What's up, Gwilly? Yeah, you're late to the party, man. Everyone's kind of late to the party here. I apologize. I had to start early today because Bitcoin was making some moves. So sorry to everyone that I started early today. You didn't really miss much. We've just been kind of watching the charts, talking about a couple Bitcoin things. We haven't really gone through anything yet, so we're coming in at a decent time here. Check Cardano real quick while we're waiting for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin starts moving, guys, always yell at me. Yell at me louder than you've ever yelled at me before. 1 hour time frame. Yeah, we just kind of stuck in a range here for Cardano. I mean, just kind of down, up, just stuck in a range between like 124 and 131. Having a really tough time breaking that 131 level because your previous support flipped into resistance. Got to get back above that. That's really what you're doing right now for Cardano. Really not much else besides that, my friend. Really not much else besides that. Just stuck in a range. Come on, BTC. All right, let's see. So I said 5 minute triangle breakout. Upside or downside. So we have 70% of people saying upside, 30% of people saying downside. Let's see what happens here within the next, it's got to happen in the next 15 minutes. We're touching the upside right now. So I guess this technically has a higher chance to break to the upside because we came in it from the downside, right? We pumped into it. So it has a higher chance of breaking up. All right, new 5 minute candle. Dude, we're stuck in here. Put the helmet. Oh, I gotta put the helmet. How do I not have the helmet on? This is ridiculous. Guys, you gotta tell me if I don't have the helmet on. You guys know I'm not. You guys know I'm not too responsible over here. Come on. 41,300 for BTC. 88, always a late bloomer on BTC moves. Yeah. And Cardano's been chilling, dude. Hasn't really been doing much lately here at all. Literally at all. I'll get to the altcoins in just a second, guys. I want to see where Bitcoin breaks out from this because it's gonna move here. It's gonna move. Price is contracting, so it's gonna get squeezed here. Watch, it's gonna troll us. It's gonna troll us. It's gonna do this. It's gonna do this. Up, down, up, and Bitcoin trolls. Let's troll everyone. Hey. Nice little troll. Where's Bob? Here we go. Here we go. You're breaking it? Come on, give me that volume. Give me that volume. Break it. Not going to do that. All right, we broke it to the upside. Let's see if we get any follow through here. Like I said, guys, this is just a 5 minute chart. So let's see where this thing goes. You guys voted for the upside, and we're getting that upside movement just as we predicted. Just as Carl the Moon said, we would get a pump to the upside. Let's friggin' go. 41,450 as we speak right now for BTC. Let's friggin' gold. He sold. Pump it. Pump it. Let's friggin' go. Let's see, but we gotta get some follow through now. Let's see if we get that follow through to the upside here. Okay, this is what it's all about. More dancing, please. All right, if we break 41,500, I'm gonna throw on another dance. I promise. 41,500, that's the next level. Because we got as high as this. So we got a little resistance here, right? We got a little resistance here. We break this though, we're going to test 41,800. It's gonna be coming, but we got to break this previous high. I'm actually gonna put a line right there, right about there. We got to break that line right there. We break that line, we're going to 41,800. All right. I just spit out my Coke. Pump it. Pump it up. Java wrecked. Java is like, let's go see Java again. Let's go check out Java again. Java, you okay, bro? Java, are you okay? Java, wake up, bro. Wake up. Java. Oh. I told you guys in the beginning of the stream, don't short Bitcoin. Don't short Bitcoin, guys. I did it again. I never follow my own advice. I tell you guys every day, don't short Bitcoin. You're gonna get wrecked. R-E-K-T. Wrecked. R-E-K-T. I thought I died again. I keep shorting it, and I keep getting wrecked. Don't short Bitcoin, guys. Don't do it. All right, here we go. Bitcoin got a little bit of a pullback there, and it's going again to the upside on the new 5-minute candle. Let's friggin' get it. He's speechless. I love Java the Short. Java the Short is my favorite brother, okay? Java the Short's my favorite brother. You guys didn't know I have 3 brothers. 3 brothers, okay? All right, we're going again for BTC. Here we go. Here we go. And we pulled right back under it. So unsuccessful dance, but I told you guys we were going to dance if we went to 41,500, and I do not lie there. Craig said, just got some orders, and that should get us over 41,600. Needed to see that dance. Thank you, Craig, for pumping up the damn friggin' market. Thank you, man. The buying volume is insane. Yeah, volume's coming in here. Volume just kind of came in that breakout. Not huge volume, but still nonetheless. Some really good volume coming in there. Really good volume. Party like it's Y2K, brother. Let's friggin' go. We got in here. We got 2,200 people in here. Spam up those likes if you want Bitcoin to reach $42,000 by tonight. Let's get it. Let's get up to 800 likes on the stream. That's the 1.618 Fibonacci extension level at 800 likes. Okay? Let's get it, boys. Let's friggin' get it. All right, check on ADA again. ADA's not really moving just yet. ETH, not really moving just yet for Ethereum. Kind of just chilling. Everything's kind of waiting on BTC here. Everything's kind of waiting on BTC. But I don't think BTC's done. Because every time we get bought back down, we get bought right back up like damn spaghetti at grandma's house. Okay, you guys know what I'm talking about. Who has the best spaghetti in the game? Who has the best spaghetti in the game? It's always your grandma. You know, it's sometimes it's your mom. Your mom might have the second best spaghetti, but grandma has the best spaghetti. And Bitcoin's getting bought up like a family dinner with your whole entire family, and the only thing that's left is grandma's spaghetti. and everyone's fighting for that last little straw of spaghetti. That's my analogy of Bitcoin right now. Whales are coming in and buying Bitcoin like damn spaghetti. Let's get it. Here's a whale for you, by the way. Here he comes. Here comes the whale, guys. Boom! Eat that damn spaghetti. Let's go. The restaurants have it. Thank you, No Name. Thank you, No Name, for mom's spaghetti. It's grandma's spaghetti, okay? Jake. Jake, you need to chill in the chat, bro. You're gonna make me die. Jake said my grandma's dead in Mexican. Oh man, I'm sorry, Jake. I'm sorry, Jake. You dude. I know you. I my sense of humor went off there, so I assume you were trying to be funny, man. I'm sorry. Oh, dude, you need to chill. Jeez. Killing me, man. All right. Is Bitcoin gonna go for it again, boys? All right, let's go into some of these super chats while we wait for Bitcoin to bear and chill. Actually, real quick, let me just check on a few things on the macro. I'm not gonna spend too much time on this, but total market cap continuing to move up to our target, 1.87. Right? When we were talking about this down here on the breakout, there was people laughing at me in the chat. There was people laughing at me in the chat that I said we were going to 1.87 trillion, but we're halfway there, okay? We're halfway there. It's the final countdown. Only about 18% until we breach that measure move, so we'll see if that plays out still. And the total 2 market cap, still looking pretty good too. Measure move is 146 out of our falling wedge as well. So making moves up here very, very, very slowly for some of these assets here. Up to our measure move targets. Not going to be a straight line. It's going to, it's going to be the ebbs and flows, right? It's going to be the ebbs and flows, but I think we'll get up there. Let's see. Bitcoin dominance going up a little tad right now. Obviously, I'm still looking at this as kind of a rising wedge type pattern, right? So you might see Bitcoin outperform altcoins for a little bit longer. Could break down, right? Looks kind of similar to me to like the DXY chart, sort of here, but who knows where this is going to go. So, but the DXY actually got a little bit of a bounce today. I don't expect this to continue. I still expect this to break down to our target of our rising wedge down here. So I'm expecting a little bit more downside after this level. This could be the reversal to the upside. Hopefully it breaks and we go down here. That could be very, very good for crypto. But overall, DXY not looking too great. You might have some bullish divergence on the daily on the DXY, but how often does that play out? We'll have to wait and see. Stock markets, just chilling the last couple of days, right? 1, 2, 3 days, kind of just sideways action. Not really to talk much about there. It just kind of looks like it's retesting its previous highs and trying to confirm that as future support. So S&P still looking pretty damn juicy. Let's go back to BTC. 41,430. We're going for it again, boys. We are going for it again. We're going for gold. We're going for gold, fellas. That's what we do here. That's what we friggin' do. All right, let's real quick bust through some of these. I feel like as soon as I get off Bitcoin, that's when we're gonna see that big move because we're just chilling right under resistance. We're chilling right under it. But let me go down here. We had everyone's asking about Link. Dude, it's Link the Slink. So Link is super boring, and then all of a sudden, that's why we call Link the Slink. Because Link, it's like a slinky, right? We pull it, we pull it, we pull it, we pull it, aka we pull it down, we pull it down, we pull it down. But when it wants to go up, it's a damn slinky. A damn slinky. Back up to the upside. That's what you're seeing for Link. We'll check out it in just a second, though. That's the way Chainlink kind of rolls there. Link is pumping. Yeah. Turning into an ascending triangle instead of symmetrical. Yeah, it definitely could. Definitely could be an ascending triangle, too. So we'll extend this up just in case it is. And we could maybe, if we get rejected again, we could see another test and then a break, right? So it could be seeing something like that for sure. We'll keep it like that, see what's kind of going on here. But the volume is supporting some type of breakout there in the 5-minute. Marco wants to look at Tel. Let's look at Tel coin real quick for my guy Marco in the chat. Sorry, I'm still laughing at something from earlier. Oh, that was so funny. Oh, I'm still laughing, bro. Jake, you killed me with that. You killed me with that comment, man. Killing me, bro. All right, let's see what's going on with Tel. I mean, it's kind of range bound. It's really just been range bound. I mean, if you look at it from this sort of aspect, it looks like you might have broken out some downwards resistance, very short term time frame there. But I don't know, you're just not getting that same follow through. But overall, I mean, it looks like the same kind of as, I guess, not the same as Bitcoin, but you know, obviously Bitcoin had a nice day so far today. So it looks like kind of Bitcoin's chart where it's kind of struggling the last couple hours there. If Bitcoin pumps, it's going to keep going. Okay. Telcoin is going to keep freaking going, right? So watch 2 cents as this next resistance. I mean, we've gotten rejected off of it once. A little bit of a fake out, but got rejected again about 4 times there. So that's really the level you're watching out for there. You break that, obviously, we got some resistances up here. But overall, I mean, you've got room to run on the hourly, right? You don't got any divergence that I'm seeing just yet. And the 4-hour has got plenty of room to run with. It looks like a clear breakout in the 4-hour time frame. So I'm expecting you to hit some of these levels here, right? 2 cents, 2.2 cents, and then we'll kind of go from there. 2.5 cents. Get a bunch of resistances looking up, but looking good. Bring Bob. If we pump again, we'll bring out Bob to dance, all right? Bob will bring out to dance if we start pumping again, but I think we will. So, yeah, my guy in the chat said this could be turning into some type of ascending triangle. Definitely agree. Definitely agree. Where if we got rid of this, maybe it's something like this, ascending triangle, which inherently, you know, would actually bring up our target here, somewhere up here. Still around same thing, right? 42,400 or so. We'll see if that plays out, I guess. But, yeah. See if that plays out, guys. Is it? I'm eating sweet potato. What's up, Jazz? Jazz became a Jordan Knight member. Awesome. Make sure you're in the stream tomorrow, Jazz. It's members only stream tomorrow morning. Okay? So make sure all the members, I'm going to repeat it again. Make sure all the members are here tomorrow morning. I'll let you know what time by the end of the stream tonight. But still, we'll all be here. We'll all friggin' be here. Okay? So we looked at Telcoin. What was up? What was up next? Come on, BTC. Do something. Guys, get out your sticks. Get your sticks out. If you guys are bulls, make sure you guys spam the chat with some bulls. And I'm not saying what you think I'm saying, okay? So don't get dirty in the chat. You guys always think, every time I say bulls, you guys think I'm saying something else, right? But I'm not. We're not talking about the salty bulls, all right? We're talking about the bulls. Spam the bulls in the chat, please. I need the bulls in there. So we got Telcoin. Telcoin, and then XRP. Everyone's asking about XRP and everyone's asking about Chainlink. So we'll check out those two. And my bulls are bravo, bravo. Someone said my bulls are full. Bravo. BTC's going again. Yeah, we're going again, guys. We're testing it again. Here we go. Does Bob have to come out with the party? I think Bob's gonna come out with the party here. Ryan says we have juicy bulls in here. Bob says we have juicy bulls in here. Let's go. All right, Bitcoin's doing it again, boys. Bitcoin's doing it again. Let's get Bob out. I told you Bob's gonna dance if we're going in again. Oh man. I'm about to get a workout from dancing in the stream, bro. Come on. All right. Let's... I want to see it hold for 10 seconds, guys. If we can hold this level for 10 seconds and continue up, I'm bringing out Bob. I don't want to get too ahead of ourselves here. Okay? We can't do it. We're stuck. We're stuck at 41,532 right now. And we're coming back down. And we're coming back down. All right. If we go back up, I didn't want to get too ahead of ourselves here. So we're coming back down here, but we're good. We'll go back at it again. Bitcoin just wants to crack it. Crack, crack, crack. All right, XRP. Let's go check out XRP real quick. I can't even get altcoins in right now. Like, Bitcoin is pumping this much. I can't even get altcoins in. It's been like this for like the last 3 days. Trying my best here, guys, but we can't miss Bitcoin's pumps. Let's see what XRP did. So XRP, see, these altcoins are all kind of looking like they're forming like a bearish rising wedge, but this is what Bitcoin did, and Bitcoin just said nope to it, right? Bitcoin came out and said
nope.
And everyone's now coming out and saying, all the grandmas are coming out of the woodwork, all of them, literally all of them, and saying,
Jordan, how do I buy some Bitcoin?
And Bitcoin's pumping. We're going to see the same thing with XRP. In theory, right, you're in some type of rising wedge, which is bearish, right? You would come back down and test about 68 cents. But if you... but you guys are killing the chat, bro. Pumping? All right. We got to hold it, though. We got to hold it. Oh, 1 sec. All right, screw it. We're going for it. Let's go. All right, I'm getting out Bob. Bob cursed us. Someone said Bob cursed us. That's so true. Someone said Bob cursed us. All my odds failed. Yeah, it looks like, guys, right now, it looks like we're coming back down to retest the top. We're coming down to retest the top of the triangle here at about 41,500. All right, it looks like we're coming back down now. But we'll see what happens. I think we'll be fine. Bro, someone said Bob cursed us. I can't. You guys are killing me in the chat today. You guys have T1 chat skills today. You guys are making me laugh so freaking hard today. I gotta say, Jake's got the best comment of the day today, though. I just gotta keep my composure here. What's up, Wes? I love the big Jordan Bitcoin rave. Let's go, Wes. We're all about those raves here. That's what we do. What we friggin' do. I got a bunch of stuff to go over, though. I'm getting really far behind here. It's just that every time I go over these altcoins, Bitcoin starts pumping. Anyways, XRP looks like it's in a bearish pattern, right? Technically would pull back to 68 cents. But, you know, we know how this works. We know how this works. If Bitcoin keeps pumping, XRP is going to keep pumping. And that's kind of the name of the game. That's the name of the game, boys. We broke this previous high. We made higher highs. we made higher highs. And technically speaking, right? We're not talking about the Bank of Canada here, but our next resistance would be our previous supports at about 78.9 cents. Okay? So watch out for that for XRP. Get a little bit of dumpage here for Bitcoin. Trying to see. It's not the daily close, bro. What the? Hold on, I gotta fix the daily close. It's not the daily close. It's not the daily close. Come on, daily close. You're lying to everyone in here, including me. You're lying to all of us. There we go. Gotta reset the daily close. It's not the it's not the daily close. It's because I started the damn stream early, that's why. Crazy. Alright, so we're chilling. We chilling like a villain. Juan said, how do I become a member? I should see a join button right in the bottom right there, homie. You see join. And you press that. You pick what option you want to do. If you want to become a member. The 4-hour time frame, dude. We're having a tough time cracking this cookie here. You can see pretty clear resistance at the top of this for BTC. 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches. Just can't cook. Just can't break it, man. Can't break it, but I got faith in Bitcoin to continue up here. I really do. All right, let's see. What else we had? XRP. Positive vibes. Pump. Kane said OXT. Oh, my helmet. That's what's missing. That's why we're not pumping. The helmet's not on. Thank you, Craig. I was too busy dancing with Bob here. There we go. All right, OXT. Let's see what's going on. OXT. OXT chilling on the daily. Literally nothing here on the daily. Like literally nothing here. That's 2 facts, dude. So one, I mean, just got a general downwards resistance. It's not perfect. You guys get the general gist of it, though. I mean, coming down. You just got to break this general downwards resistance. That's all it really comes down to right now. I'm just going to draw from the candle bodies. If you can get a close, seems like you're trying to do it right now. But if you can get a daily close, you know, above these general candle bodies, I think you should be pretty good. I think you should be pretty damn good. So next target is 34 cents, assuming Bitcoin keeps pumping, right? 4-hour looks decent. 4 hours not really in any type of there's not really any type of really thing going on here. I mean, you could say you really want to get picky, maybe, and this is kind of a stretch, but I mean, maybe some type of inverse head and shoulders pattern here in the 4-hour for OXT. Looks pretty good though. Really does. And our breakout target for this, actually a little bit higher, sorry. I'm actually gonna get rid of this. Would be upwards of right around 38 cents. And it looks like you're trying to break it right now as we speak. So we'll see if that breaks, man. That looks pretty good though. Thoughts on Orbit's FWT? I have no idea what that is, man. I have no idea what that is. Yeah, I don't know. Helio Trades. I never heard of that, man. They use Berkshire Hathaway's Geico to get high APYs. Interesting, dude. Link. MDX. Orders. All right, everyone wants Chainlink. Let's go check out Chainlink before before Chainlink breaks the chat. Absolutely, dude. All right, let's take a look at Chainlink before everyone in the chat Chainlink heads explode. Oh, I see it. Chainlink. So what we're looking at for Chainlink, what we're looking at was a possible inverse head and shoulders if we did get a pullback here, which we really didn't. We didn't really get it. Not at all, actually. And it looks like we're just pumping here for Chainlink. I didn't see any news on Chainlink today that would promote this. I mean, I think Chainlink was just so undervalued. It was due for a pump, dude. Like just before this, We were down 75% before we started getting this upwards momentum here. So we were down a lot for Chainlink. I think it was just due to pump. And we've broken our two biggest resistances that I had there. So just looking up, I think logically speaking, the next resistance should be about 24.72. You got a peak there. You got some supports looking left and a peak back here. 24.72 is coming next there in the daily time frame. You got some room to run. 4 hour doesn't look like it wants to stop. You got room to run. You might have a little bearish divergence there, but that doesn't really matter right now with Bitcoin pumping. So 74.72 is that next resistance. Dude, Bitcoin is getting heated here, bro. Where's your Bitcoin target? It's up here at 42,400. That's only if we break out of this. We originally thought it was a symmetrical triangle. It still could have been, right? This still could have just been a back test, right? If we look at it this way, it still could have just been a back test before we continue up. But I think it does make more sense if you look at this as sort of a ascending triangle almost. We're having a hard time breaking like 41,600. But we have a pretty big resistance there at 41,800, guys, too. So don't forget about that. But 42,400 is our big resistance level. Or sorry, our target, I should say. But this is the 5-minute chart. Remember that. So this should, our apex, and yes, I do call it an apex. Don't come at me. Apex to me is sideways and up and down. Okay, that's part of my vocabulary. Link is going off right now, though. Yeah, $22 for Link. I'm pumping Link. That's why we call it every day. Okay, you guys are gonna make me pick up. Hold on.
Rant alert.
That's why we call it Link to Slink. Everyone was doubting Chainlink. Okay, and when everyone doubts Chainlink, it's usually when Chainlink, and yes, I have the mic up because this is when I go on a rant. When everyone doubts Chainlink is when Chainlink is at the bottom of these levels, right? Everyone says, oh, Chainlink's dead. Chainlink's dead. Chainlink's dead. And every time it hits the bottom of these levels, it goes on a massive run to the upside, to the top of the channel, okay? Not going to say it's going to do it again, but I guess that's kind of what I do think is going to happen here. Right, so don't count out Chainlink. We did it another time over here. We don't have the data here though. Don't count out Chainlink to have another massive run, which the top of this channel. Let's just look at the top of this channel real quick. Okay, would be all the way up here, somewhere depending on where we hit it, upwards of probably 85 to $100, depending on how long it takes us to get up there. Now, obviously, that's correlated with Bitcoin pumping too. But remember, it is Chainlink, the link. Link the slink.
Rant alert.
We're over. Chili's. Who would ever doubt Link? Everyone doubts Link. Gonna need the pump music for Link, bro. Bring Bob out here to sell. I got you. Can't Sleep C4 became a member. We had Metal Bug became a member. Tammy became a member. Michael became a member. We had Ethan became a member. Craig saying all my orders filled there. Craig, give us some more orders, man. Pump us out of this triangle right now. You are the new Fashad. And Fashad, if you're watching right now, then make sure you're remembering. Jazz, I have three. Jazz. Jazz said I have 2 mics in my mouth. I didn't even notice I have a mic on my astronaut helmet here. That's why I'm so loud. That's really true. I didn't even notice that. What's up, Fatty McDonut? Oh, Fatty McDonut's back. What's up, Fatty? We just need Devontae Duke and we need Defiler to come back. They haven't came back yet. They'll be back when Bitcoin's at 50K. Actually, Defiler will probably be back when we're at 60K. Defiler, if you're out there, I'm calling this right now. Everyone in the chat, if you guys know who Defiler is, he's kind of a stream meme at this point. He's a stream meme. Defiler will be back when we hit 60K. I'm calling it right now. We will see Defiler back in the Discord when we hit 60K. Calling it. I see an inverse cupping inverse cup and shoulders. Wait, what? Inverse cup and shoulders on DOT. Let's go look at DOT real quick. Fatty McDonut. Let's see. Defiler, we still love you. Man. Defiler will be back. Defiler panics and then he comes back when we start pumping again. All right, let's see. Oh, this is our fake polka dot chart. Polka dot. Someone said, I see an inverse cup and shoulders. Fatty McDonald, that's pretty funny, man. Inverse head and handle. No, we gotta, yeah, inverse head and shoulders here. For sure. If we pump, if we come back down and retrace, we got a nice inverse head and shoulders here. All right. And that would pump us up to the upside. So you are correct. Just your terminology was off. I'm not sure if you were telling a joke. My sense of humor level is pretty high. So I sense some sarcasm in there. So I'm going to give you the benefit of the doubt. 2255 is our target there for Polkadot. If we break to the upside, we'll see if that does play out. Obviously, we got a lot of different stipulations for that to play out, right? We got to go up and test the resistance, come back down, and then pump. So as of right now, this just looks like a nice pump to the upside on the daily. But if you get it back above 1680 for DOT, like just looking left, you don't have any resist. Like you went straight up here. You went straight down, straight up, straight down. You could be going all the way back up to, I mean, at least 2446 if you do that. Bitcoin rising. Yeah, we're chilling. We're still in our triangle. We just got a new 5-minute paint here. New painting on the 5-minute. We got Leonardo da Vinci here. Is this the longest we held above 41K? Yeah, so far. I mean, today's the only day we've really been above 41K for the most part. I mean, over here, yeah, I mean, this is the only day we've been above 41K. So yeah, technically speaking, yes, this is the longest we've been above 41K, at least during this consolidation, right? Thank you again, Wes. He loves the Bitcoin, the Jordan Bitcoin rave. Thoughts on farm? Farm? I don't know. I'm not a farmer, bro. I ain't no farmer. I ain't no farmer. Actually, no, it's only makes some sense that while we look at farm, okay, we simply, it only makes sense. Let me see if let's see. Oh, we're lagging. We're lagging here, boys. Let's see. A little laggy. See if I got a farmer here. I don't know what this guy is, but there we go. All right. It only makes sense for while we look at farm. While we look at farm, we dress up as a farmer here. But yeah, I mean, we don't have that much data on this thing. I mean, this is the only data that I have really for farm here. Let's see. Do I have a USDT? No. Yeah, we don't really have any data here for farm, dude. Like all we really have is this, and it just looks like there's not really anything you can take from this, really at all. I mean, if we go to the shorter term time frames, let's go to like a 15-minute. Yeah, there's not really much we can take from this right now, man. You know, it's really the only chart I have too. So unfortunately, I mean, the only thing I can really say is on the 15-minute, it looks like it looks like you got your previous high here, and you came back down and tried to retest it as support, right? So as of right now, you're fine, but you know, there's not really much else I can look at for farm, man. Unfortunately, dude. Bitcoin's pumping, bro. 41,600 as we speak right now. We are making another rise to the upside for BTC. Let's friggin' go. Craig said took 6 million order to break 41,600. Craig, I'm trusting you, my bad. I am trusting you to be our new Fashad. Fashad, if you're out there, help our boy Craig crack this next resistance at 42,000. We have to break 42,000, and we need Fashad. We need Craig. We need Squiggy. Where is Squiggy? I thought Squiggy would be back by now, okay? I've been waiting for Squiggy to make his return. I'm telling you right now, when Squiggy comes back, we are going to see the biggest green candle we have ever seen in my life. I miss Squiggy. I want Squiggy back. Where's Squiggy Wiggins? Squiggy, if you're out there, I know you'll be back here at some point. We need you to help Craig pump this. We need the helmet. We got the helmet back on, Craig. Cal J, so what's your thoughts on Chia Network? I don't like Chia Pets, man, but I'll look at Chia for you. 41,600. Guys, next target, like we said, 41,783 is going to be that really annoying next resistance, man. Really annoying. What's up, the Diamond Life? Very, very good Friday, my friend. Very, very good Friday. You know? Craig and Rashad, do it. Interesting. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know where Squiggy is. Like we need like 3 or 4 more whales in here. We need 3 or 4 more whales. All right, Bitcoin's trying to move. Chia Network. We'll look at Chia in a second, dude. BCH. Lots of room to grow and make it rain. Let me know your thoughts on the Hoin Homie. Thanks for having a bear on me. We'll look at BCH in just a second, NG. And oh, we're going to go again. We're about to, dude. I'm gonna skip the gym tomorrow. At this point, like I think I've burned 8,000 calories today from my dancing. Oh, bro, we're about to liquidate all these shorts. All these shorts will be liquidated right now. And if you don't liquidate these shorts, I'm about to, I can't say what I'm about to say. I can't say it. We're on YouTube here. I gotta remember where I am. I was gonna say, and you guys can take this from context. If we don't liquidate these shorts, I will, you guys can fill in the blank there. I will blank my blank. Okay? And I don't know, some of you guys might like that, some of you guys might not like that. All right. Fashad! There he is! Fashad's in the house, everyone. Fashad is in the house. Let's get it. We're about to go to the friggin' moon. Craig and Fashad. Now we just need Squiggy. Let's go. Fashad is in the house. 41,700 right now. Going up to our next resistance, guys. Like I said, 41,783 is going to be our next big resistance there. Let's get it, boys. Let's friggin' get it. That's our next resistance. We look left, guys. Let's look left real quick before BTC starts going again. You guys are going to be like, Jordan, go back to the price action. Jordan. We're on the 5 minute. Let me go back to the 1 hour real quick. Let's go left. We got a little bit of a wickage right here. I'm looking at these couple highs here from all the way back here in May. But not much else besides that. Obviously, we're looking a little higher there, right? Maybe 42,000 after that, but we got a couple wick highs right at 41,783. So that's what I'm looking at next, guys. But we're coming up there shortly here. Very, very shortly. Very, very shortly. Because all the Bitcoin shorts are coming out to play here. Rashad, our whale brother. All right, let's look at our next one here. Bitcoin Cash. Look at Bitcoin Cash real quick, man. If someone who already did the membership, can you explain Craig, how to join the member? I think it should be right on the bottom right in the bottom of the chat, my guy. I'm sure someone in the chat can be nice enough to help you out with that, though. It should be right in the bottom, though. I think, Craig. All right, so let's see. Bitcoin Cash. I'm on the 15-minute here, but let me go back to the hourly. Look at that, dude. Bitcoin Cash, you broke out. You broke out for Bitcoin Cash over your previous resistance points there again. So we look left, dude. That was the huge area for Bitcoin Cash. That was it, right? Previous high. You've now made a higher high on Bitcoin Cash. So Bitcoin Cash actually looks pretty good. I mean, we look left, at least on the hourly. Next resistance should be 580, which is a pretty significant move there. It's your next local high up here from June 19th. So looks pretty good. Finally made a higher high for Bitcoin Cash. Another one kind of checked off the market there. Perfect. Ethereum is kind of chilling now. You got to remember, Ethereum kind of started this run yesterday, right? Ethereum was pumping yesterday while Bitcoin was kind of hibernating. And we were getting pumped for Ethereum, right? If you guys were in the Discord, if you guys want to join the Discord, links down in the description down below. We were getting hyped for Ethereum, right? Because I told you guys after the stream yesterday, I was going to be pumping Ethereum. And I did just that, and Ethereum pumped. And now you're seeing the follow for Bitcoin, which usually it's the opposite, but that's what we're seeing. All right. Bitcoin going up again here. Going up again, boys. Cal J said Chia Network. We'll look at Chia. Do we like Chia Pets in the chat here? We like Chia Pets. Chia. Oh yeah, I completely forgot. The membership link, guys, is actually right in the description down below. You'll see we become a Jordanite member. Click that link, and then you guys can sign up for a member. I completely forgot I put it in the description there. Sometimes I have a brain fart, but that's just kind of it's kind of what I do. If you guys know the stream, know me, a lot of people, like I've always said, a lot of people that have been in the stream for the last couple months, and it's really almost been a half a year now, which is crazy, probably know me better than most people know me in real life. So like, you guys know I have a lot of brain farts, to be honest. I have very, very bad short-term memory and a lot of brain farts. I have pretty good long-term memory, though. I'll say that. I don't know, man. I've been saying Bitcoin needs to pull back for the last couple of days. Like I said, I'm gonna stop saying Bitcoin needs a pullback, because technically, yes, based on the technicals, it does need a pullback, right? But Bitcoin's not respecting technicals right now. It's telling literally technicals to say
nope.
And then we're just kind of sitting here in awe, like literally, like my face is literally a crypto thumbnail. Like my face every single day, my face is an crypto thumbnail. Shout out to crypto. I actually love crypto's videos. Very, very entertaining guy. Super energetic, super entertaining. Every single day. I gotta give credit to people that can stay that energetic every single day. Yeah, but Chia looks like it just broke this previous support, and I think just logically, like, you have a lot of different levels here. I think the next one here is, I mean, you look up, I mean, just your daily closes, right? 303. You break 303 for Chia, whatever Chia is, you're going to be coming up here to 372. Like that's where you're coming up to next. So very, very cool looking chart here. If you can break these previous highs, you got a lot, because you don't really have that much price action. You can literally just go straight up here if you want to, because you just look at the daily, like you went straight down here. So if you get over really this level here, like you could go up pretty fast here, and that's exciting. There's not a lot of price action to look at this, right? I mean, not a lot of price action to go off of, but still, I mean, still, you can still already see how bullish it is. All right, Bitcoin chilling. West Side said we're gonna chat and laugh our way to 80K BTC. 80K BTC? What do you think this is? Rookie numbers? We ain't rookies here. Just kidding. We gotta always remember, guys, we still gotta break that 200-day moving average, right? The 200-day SMA and the 20-week SMA. We gotta break those two levels. What's up, Mike? We're looking good, dude. We're looking good. What I will say is Bitcoin's about to have a very, very bullish daily close here. Very, very bullish. Look at this daily close, guys. We have smashed above the 100-day moving average, the 100-day simple moving average. Oh, let me fix one thing here. There we go. All right, good to go there. So we smashed through the 100-day simple moving average. Right? We smashed our previous high at 41,300. We got 15 minutes into the close. We'll see where we close. But this is about to be a very, very crucial, and this is why I put the title of the stream, 41K plus huge daily close, because we're about to close above two very, very important levels on the chart here. Next one, right? And the most important level for Bitcoin. Whoa! Did we just wick to 42,000? We just wicked right to 42,000. Look how volatile Bitcoin is right now. Boom, boom, boom. We volatile. We so volatile right now. I think we're about to liquidate some shorts. I think we're about to liquidate some shorts. Let's go, boys. Let's friggin' go. We got a quick rejection there, but if this just gets eaten right back up, guys, we've seen it before. Bitcoin gets rejected for some of these levels. We come down a little bit, we retest it again, and we come right back up of it. So we're getting rejected right now. We'll see how long this lasts, though. I don't think this is going to last very long. Bashad said, just for the family. Shout out to you, dude. Shout out to you. Let's friggin' go. Pump stream, just like I said, wait for it. Crypto is here. It's facts. Kim Cam became a member. Thank you, Kim Cam. James said I can see price change before you on Binance chart. Nice, dude. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Also, guys, I put my actually, let me grab it for you for one sec. If you guys have time here, which I think you guys have plenty of time, not only subscribe to my subscribe to this channel if you guys are new to the stream, obviously. If you guys are already subscribed to the channel, make sure I'm gonna post my my backup channel here in the chat. Make sure you guys go subscribe to my backup channel. Obviously, we know what's kind of going around. We know it's kind of going around. I guess I should say YouTube right now. So I'm gonna post that in the chat right now. It's also in the description. Make sure you guys go subscribe to this backup channel, just in case we get you know, some shenanigans going on with you know what. I just posted it in the chat. Make sure you guys go, like I said, go subscribe to that channel, just so you guys can stay updated in case something happens there. All right, awesome stuff, awesome stuff. All right, Bitcoin's going for it again, 41,700. So we smashed right through 41,783. I thought that was going to be some resistance. It kind of was, but, you know, who knows, man? Who knows? Boom, done. Yeah. Look at that, man. Look at, she smashed through the top of this resistance, too, on the 4-hour. Let's check out our daily again. Look at that. We're getting up there, boys. We are getting up. Look at the daily now. Like, look at the chart now. Remember when we were down here and like we were all like kind of like slightly sad? Like we were all sad. Like the mood wasn't, bro. I thought we were going again. Hold on. I got tricked by the chart there. Remember we were down here, we were all super sad. And then we go 10 days later and look where we are. I will state it again, okay? I will state it again.
Rant alert.
The sentiment for Bitcoin can switch so freaking fast. And everyone who's new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe for this best rant you're about to hear again. Down here, we were all calling for lower. Me included, right? I was even calling for 25K, 27K. And I'm a freaking moon boy. I'm a long-term moon boy. I was calling for lower levels. We're still not out of the woods yet, but I just want to state right here how quickly the sentiment can change for Bitcoin. I was even calling for lower levels. And I will totally admit that. 10 days later, now we're sitting at 42,000, playing pump music, getting hyped up, getting ready for future pumpage. The sentiment in Bitcoin can change so fast. I guys want you to remember this moment about next time you're feeling super bearish on Bitcoin. Just remember how quickly it can change. It can change so fast. In 10 days, we've gone from 29K to 42K. And now we're all talking about the continuation of the bull market if we break some of these key levels. This is freaking awesome. And this is why we're in crypto, for the volatility, for the super gains that we get so freaking quickly. Remember this time, next time you guys are feeling down about your crypto portfolio. Okay, it can change so quickly, and I'm glad we're all kind of sitting here and watching this live, because it really is so fun to watch. When Bitcoin's doing really well, it's so fun to watch. It's worth the bad times. It's worth the tough times where your portfolio might be down 20K, maybe down 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%. It always eventually comes back. Okay, it always eventually comes back. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. All right, we're at 10 minutes and Bitcoin's going again. 42,000 right now as we speak. 42,000. Here we go. 42,000 speak right near. That's for a first class rant there, Jordan. Thank you. All right, we got to do rant poll. Rant poll in the chat. Rant poll. I want you to rate my rant. Okay, 1, the worst rant you ever heard. 3, the best rant you've ever heard. 2 and 3 in between. Okay, let me know. Also, my cam is blurry here. Let me fix my cam, and we should be ready to rock and roll. There we go. All right, let's see. Rant poll rating. Hopefully, we can get a nice pump while we're waiting here. I'm gonna be so rich I need to hire a tax guy. Facts, bro. That's so true. Let's see where we're at here. Kim said, Kim became a member. Thank you, Kim. Bill said, how's Ren looking the next 7 days? I want to see Richard Hart's face, and I want to see Alex Becker's face. Don't get me started about Alex Becker. That guy. Alex Becker. Alex freaking Becker. The turnaround started in a blink of an eye. It really did. It really did. I can see price change before you see on prices chart. It's facts. Did we ever look at Ren, guys? Did we ever look at Ren? Ren. Did we look at Ren? Let's see. Whales are lurking right now. They are lurking, dude. Alex Becker, the FUD king. All right, let's see. He got into crypto like 4 months ago. And all right, let's see. Here we go. So look left. I mean, we got previous support on this level, resistance. And we look here. I mean, it's support, resistance. This is our kind of our swing level for Bitcoin. If we really, sorry, for Ren. This is our kind of our swing level for Ren. If we really zoom out here. you know, if we break this level, dude, we're going to have a pretty nice move up to the upside, right? So, dude, if we break this, Ren looks really good. That's the swing level for Ren. If you look up, I mean, just logically, I mean, you have 3 peaks at this sort of level up here at like 59, 60 cents. That's the next level there for Ren. So we'll see if it breaks it, but you got room to run on the daily if you want to run 4 hour. You got some room to run, not a lot, right? You got some. You might need to pull back at some point, but I refuse to say that these coins need pullbacks, because what we've seen what Bitcoin has done, where the last couple of days we're like, Bitcoin needs a pullback, Bitcoin needs a pullback, Bitcoin needs a pullback. Okay, Jordan, if it gets more populated, we may need the slow chat setting. I think I have slow chat on already. Algo, let me double check for you though, brother. Live chat, slow mode. I got 10-second slow mode on. 10-second slow mode on. So it's got a little slow mode on. All right, bro. I flipped long. Guys, I flipped long. I finally won a trade. I finally won a trade. I won a trade. All right, job of the short finally has won a trade. Let's go. Job of the short finally flipped long, and he has finally won his first trade in the history of job of the short. He's still job of the short though. Oh. Let's go. The Bears. Whoop. The Bears are finally unzipping their coats. The Bears. Where are your coats? Where are your coats, Bears? Bears. Bears? I don't hear any bears anymore. It's very, very quiet now. Bears. Where are you? I don't hear you. I don't hear any of the bears out there. It's very, very quiet for some reason. I'm not sure where all the bears went, but you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. All right. 42,100 as we continue to go up here for BTC. This is friggin' crazy, man. Bears are getting I didn't read that poll right. All right, let's look at the rant. So 35% of the people think that it's a 1 on the rant. It's probably new people to the stream. They probably don't understand the humor yet. A lot of the humor on my stream, for anyone that's new, it's a lot of inside jokes where the more you watch the stream, the more you understand the jokes. All right. The Bears dropped their soap. Man. Eric said, we're here. What's the point of being a bear? I still don't understand the point of being a bear. All right? I don't understand it, but it is what it is. Like, what's the point of like being super into like something and then being negative about it? I don't understand it. I still never, dude. freaking ridiculous, bro. Freaking ridiculous. Like, I'm on the moon now. Literally on the moon. I'm literally so high up in the air that I got planets floating around me now. You're literally ready for moon right now? This music is why I hate things. Bro. We're going backwards, hat. We are in the mode right now. We're going backwards, hat. Let's friggin' go. You know when I put my backwards hat on, we mean business. Bro, we're about to smash through that resistance that I had there. That resistance was like butter, guys. You had a resistance at 42,026, and we smashed through that like it was literally nothing, bro. Daily close. Let's go check BTC. Bro, look at this weekly candle, dude. Look at this weekly candle. Oh, I'm gonna change my other space helmet. Look at this weekly candle, dude. Look at this weekly candle, guys. 42,260. This is a massive. We're going up to test the 20-week EMA. All right, sorry, the 20-week simple moving average. And I'm holding my mic right now because I need to. And we have now gotten a daily close, a massive daily close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 daily green candles in a row for Bitcoin. Okay. Apparently the fear and greed index is now in greed. Okay. And we've gotten 10 green candles in a row for BTC. And if we do another one, if I'm not wrong, that's the most daily candles that we've ever gotten in a day for Bitcoin. Ever. Ever. We're talking ever, guys. So if we get 11, which we're working on today, that would be literally the record for the most daily green candles in a row for Bitcoin. Next target, guys, 44,009, or it is the 200-day moving average, which right now, after that daily close, has dropped slightly. It's at 44,730. Actually, it went up a little bit. Sorry. 44,730 is that 200 daily moving average. I'm actually going to post a resistance level right there so we can kind of see it a little bit more clearly there. Let me post that right about there. Right about there. Kind of the level we're watching. 44, I'll keep it there. 44,700. Right about that level. That's dude, that's the next big resistance level that I'm seeing, dude. You might get some here at 42,000. I think a lot of people had $42,000 sell orders. But still, is what it is. We're getting a little bit dumped right now, guys. I mean, it is what it is. We saw this earlier today where we dumped all the way back down here, and then we came right back up. So we just hit a major resistance, right? So even if we do come back down a little bit, it's not that big of a deal. The bulls are just scooping it up right now, dude. The FOMO, you're up. All right, so what's going to happen here is you're going to have a bunch of bears that are going to be trying to take profits because they think it's a dead cat bounce. And you're going to be having a bunch of bears also that are scared and want to FOMO in and have a fear of missing out, aka FOMO. So it's going to be a fight between those two parties here. But absolutely insane. It just keeps going. Like it doesn't have a mind of its own. Looks exactly like last year when Bitcoin was just crushing resistance after resistance and had no respect for any resistance. It was like this area, kind of like this area here. Kind of both these areas, right here and right here, right? We just kept crushing resistance after resistance after resistance and not having really any pullbacks, maybe a little bit of pullbacks, but very, very similar. Very, very similar. Friggin' awesome, dude. Let's go through some of these in here. Zilliqa turns 4 today. Have a look at the charts for me. Yeah, we're gonna do the altcoins really quickly, guys. Just because obviously most people want to see what Bitcoin, Ethereum are doing, right? So how girthy if that daily candle we just printed? It was girthy. Tom, it was juicy. Juicy. Yeah, we'll actually take a look at the monthly close. Tomorrow is the monthly close. I actually didn't even notice that. Tomorrow is the monthly close. But ZIL, I think last time we were looking at ZIL. I think we're looking at the daily on this thing. The daily is awesome on ZIL. Girthy, bro. So girthy. So kind of a downward resistance for ZIL. Now flipped it into support and are now continuing up. So just a very, very bullish structure. You get back over 8.5 cents, my man. Next resistance is 9.5 cents. Just very, very easy there. You're still in your daily EMA ribbon, so you really haven't broken out of much yet. Don't have that huge bullish momentum just yet. I mean, you're back above your 50 moving average, which is really good. Good to see there on the daily. Daily looks fine, man. Obviously, we just got to continue to see Bitcoin rise, and altcoins are going to continue to follow it. That's literally the name of the game right now. 41,800 for BTC. So what I'm watching here for BTC is, will we get a bounce off this previous high right here? I think we can go all the way back down to 41,560 to test. If we don't go that low, though, could be super bullish. Like the bulls could just step in and buy this up pretty easily here. Said Elon tweet good things. Rashad said shorts rest in peace.
Everybody panic, we're going to zero.
Yep. Ace said, I kept telling everyone August is our key, and I told you to note this. I gave you some facts, man. Give you some facts. Stream support, my guy. Thank you, Sky. Appreciate it, my man. Fashad said, I'm going to help pump it. You already did, Fashad. Thank you so much, man. Craig said, watch this short squeeze. There you go. You and Fashad, man. You guys tag team that short squeeze. You know, we're not going to be greedy. I'm not going to ask for another one today, but, you know, maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow you give us another one. Pobo said, so you believe Bitcoin will come back down to test lower levels, or can it finally stay above 40K? No one really knows that for sure, right? I think, as we know, like you look at the daily RSI, it does need to, at some point, correct, but it can go higher, right? We can see Bitcoin daily RSI went all up to a 90 before, multiple times, and it can stay up there for multiple weeks in a row. Like, we've looked at this before. Bitcoin's RSI in the daily can stay overbought for months, dude. For months. You stayed overbought right here for months, multiple times in the past. Right here, right? You stayed right here for a couple weeks. So a lot of different times, dude. A lot of different times. So just because you're overbought doesn't really mean anything at all, dude. All right. Let's see what else we got going on right now. Oh, I just lost my freaking window, bro. Michael said, "What's up, Air Jordan? Just hopped on your stream. How are we looking right now?" We looking good, Michael. We looking good. You can see it right there, dude. We went all the way up to test 42,500. What a freaking day. Massage said, "Just for family." Craig said, "I just put all my alts into BTC." Nice, man. Thank you, Craig. Michael said, "It's pumping. Let's get this." FOMO. Art said, "I want to see Richard Hart's face." This is probably Richard Hart's face right now. I'm going to pull up the meme for you guys. This is Richard Hart's face, but in a negative way. He's like... That's literally Richard Hart's face right there. Facts. If you guys haven't seen this meme, this is usually the crypto YouTuber thumbnail meme. But this is also Richard Hart's face. I haven't been this happy since the... Not gonna say that. I believe my bags are super full. Nice, man. Alan said, "Nice, bro. Congrats." Craig with the super chat. Gabriel said, "When 99 eclipse GSX." End of stream Bitcoin price prediction poll. We can do that. We'll do another poll, guys. What will Bitcoin price be? Get your Shibas off my lawn, Ken. Ken. Get your Shibas off my lawn. What will Bitcoin price be on Sunday's close? Oh, let me move the meme here real quick. On Sunday's close. Let's see. We're gonna do over 44K. We're gonna do 44K to 42K. We're gonna do 42K to 40K to 40K. And we're gonna do below 40K. There we go. All right, there's the poll. What will Bitcoin's price be on Sunday's weekly close? Or Sunday's close, I should say. What will be Bitcoin's price? Hey. We're gonna party. Oh, face. Craig said, "Absolute pleasure to share tonight's moments with you, bro." I love it, man. I live for this stuff. I have a absolute blast streaming on this. You guys make me laugh so freaking much. Even though I'm like an inside laugher. A lot of times you can't really tell if I'm actually quite weird when you think about it. I just got a pump update from Coinbase. Bears turning into bulls. Nice, dude. Fear and Greed Index went to greed. Did it? Oh yeah, 60 on the Fear and Greed Index, guys. Always the true classic shirts. They love the true... They know I love true classic shirts. But yeah, we're on a 60 on the Fear and Greed Index, guys. First time we've been in greed. Let's see. The first time we've been in greed since May 12th. So we're talking over 2.5 months ago, the first time we've been in greed. Absolutely insane. Bitcoin getting a bounce right now. Right off this previous level that we had. Actually, we bounced right off. What's funny is we actually bounced right off where I had this original resistance line. So it wasn't resistance on the way up, but then it was support on the way down. Looks like we're going again, 42,050 right now for BTC. Pumping again right now. Bitcoin never sleeps. Remember I said we get pumps for August. I definitely will, James. Mars said I need to come clean about your wife. I love her. Well, you know what, Mars? I really gave her a good pumping last night. So, unfortunately, it's going to take a lot for you guys to steal Ethereum away from me. Because I really gave her a nice little Girth. How girthy, if that daily candle we just printed, it was a girthy. Like, look at this daily girthy daily candle. What's so good is we close above that 100-day moving average, man. That was pissing us off for the last couple days. Right? 1, 2, 3 times. 4th time we broke it. Absolutely beautiful. And I don't think we're done. What's ETH doing? ETH! Making moves. ETH trying to get back up here. Break this sort of cup and handle. Sort of cup and handle type pattern. Up to the upside. Making moves here for Ethereum. 24.60 for ETH. Nice clap you gave her. Oh yeah. We're all about that. Popped it. Hard to type with all this. James. Man, you guys are too good. You guys are too freaking good. Too freaking good. We already had 1,000 likes too. We're at 1,300 likes today. Thank you guys for the support. The support of the stream is freaking awesome. JBD said pop it. Nice. Spectrum said what alts will do if Bitcoin pull back to 35, 34K. If Bitcoin pulls back, alts will pull back too. That's just kind of the name of the game, man. Kind of what we got to live with. Eventually, hopefully, alts decouple from Bitcoin, but I don't think that's going to happen anytime soon. Usually when Bitcoin pulls back, you usually see alts pull back a little bit harder. Usually when you see Bitcoin go sideways, you see alts pump. And usually when you see Bitcoin pump hard, alts usually pump harder. Right now, we're seeing Bitcoin steal the show, though. Like, Bitcoin is really stealing the show. Very, very good question, though. Very, very good question. Typically, altcoins pull back a little bit harder when Bitcoin pulls back, right? We missed that local high on the 20th of May by $3. The 20th of May. Let's see. I think 20th of May. The high was right about 42,500-ish. And we got to, let's see, 42. Yeah, we just missed it, dude. We're almost about to make a higher high. Very, very close. Very, very close. It looks like it wants to go for it again here. And you got, what's funny here is, let's look at the hourly real quick. Hourly's kind of overshot, but does that really matter for Bitcoin? Not really. We could consolidate here before moving back up. Certainly possible. Maybe we make another triangle or something up here. Definitely could see that as a possibility. But how can we count out Bitcoin at times like this? We can't. You know? 42,488. Thank you for the shout out for the like, man. As always. Bobby said smash the like button. Thank you, Bobby. Fear and greed, alt lag. Yeah, fear and greed is at a 60. So people are getting a little greedy. All the trolls are coming out. Right? Let's go check Bob in the basement. See what he's up to. Give me one sec, guys. We're about to go visit Bob. He's gonna let you know what he thinks about the fear and greed index, okay? Bob, you down here? Bob, you down here, bro? I'm in the bathroom. I'm watching Around the Blockchain on my phone in the bathroom. All right, are you gonna be out in a second? Yeah, I'll be right out. All right, sounds good. Just checking. All right, guys, Bob will be out in just a second. He's just in the bathroom watching Around the Blockchain. I don't know what he's actually doing in there, but that's not for us to discuss. So we'll talk to Bob in just a second. He's just finishing up in there. Like we said, we don't really know what he's doing in there. ETC above all moving average on the daily. Is it, man? ETC going off right now? Check out ETC. You guys need to chill in the chat, dude. Chill in the chat. Don't make me laugh. Seriously. All right. All right. Ethereum is breaking this resistance, right? 1, 2, 3. We finally broke this resistance for Ethereum. We said we're above all moving averages. Looks like we still got our 100 moving average to break back above, but it looks like we're above the 50, above the 100. EMA back above our EMA ribbon though. Super bullish there. I like when we get back above that. We've been back above it a couple times, but not when we broke this resistance. So being back above this resistance, back above the EMA ribbon, no daily bearish divergence, room to run on the daily. Everything's looking good here for Ethereum Classic to keep going up. And we know when Ethereum Classic starts going, it really starts going. So 61.70 is probably my next, actually, I'm going to count these wicks down here. I would probably say about $58 is my next resistance. Right there. Is Bitcoin starting to make another like consolidation here? Could be. Another little triangle action going on for Bitcoin here. ETC. Chipotle on the toilet boy. He's secretly longing Bitcoin. He might be. That's might be doing that on the toilet. Who knows? Harmony $1 soon. Check Neo. It's pumping. Let me do Harmony 1, and then we'll check out Neo, and then we'll see what Bob's doing. Bob wants to let you guys know what he thinks about the pump today. I mean, the Fear and Greed Index is going back up. Yeah, 1 looks good too, man. I mean, you broke this resistance, you came back down, touched it as support. Right, we originally had a possible head and shoulders that actually got rejected, which is awesome. And you touched it as support, and now you're bouncing from it. Perfect breakout. And you have no bearish divergence on the daily. You have plenty of room to run on the daily. This looks like a clean breakout. Now, you just got to get that momentum to the upside, which I think is going to start coming here with Bitcoin breaking 42,000, which is huge. We talked about the other day when Bitcoin probably breaks 42,000. It's probably when you're going to see Harmony start, or not when you see Harmony, but that's probably going to see when you start seeing altcoins really start taking off, right? So next resistance, 8.2 cents. And then we got our next one at 9.2. So watch these pretty closely. EMA ribbon, you're still in it. Get back over that, be a little bit more bullish. And moving averages bounce right off our 50 moving average. Got to get back over the 200 and 100 though. So very interesting. Harmony looking good though. And then Neo's pumping. We'll check Neo real quick. I hope he's taking a dump. I don't know what he's actually doing in there. All right. All right. Neo broke this resistance, and you can see ever since then it's been absolutely going ham. Absolutely going ham here. Yesterday. I mean, if you just look up, is your next resistance at this high? I think you're going up to 51.75 here at least. At least. That's your next big resistance to me. 51.75. You got room to run, a little bit more room to run the daily. But still, like Neo's looking really good, man. Nothing else to really say. You're back above your daily EMA ribbon. It was your support all throughout this really bull run here. Support. Now you're back above it. Perfect. Moving averages. Got some work to do. If you get back over your 200 and 100, you'll be good to go, man. All right. See what Bitcoin's doing here. Bitcoin, bit of the corn. The Bitcoin is chilling. Get him some wet wipes. All right. Oh, Bob, you're done? Oh, okay. Bob's done, guys. He's gonna tell you about the Fear and Greed Index. I'll see you guys in just a moment. Okay. What do you guys want? What do you guys want? This is ridiculous.
Bobby, it's time for dinner.
I'm not hungry. I just had meatloaf and Mountain Dew. I just had meatloaf and Mountain Dew. I actually just drank 2 Mountain Dews. So I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry, Ma. All right, guys. Fear and Greed Index is at a 60. You know what that means? I bought more Shiba Inu today. So Fear and Greed Index at a 60. Me, the retail investor, the troll, is starting to FOMO back in. Okay? I have unzipped the bear suit. And I have bought more Shiba. And I have bought more Dogecoin. Okay? So the retail investor is going to start pouring back in.
Bobby, it's time for dinner.
Ma! I said I'm not hungry. It's freaking ridiculous. Freaking ridiculous. Ma. If she tells me to do one more thing, I'm going to freaking flip out.
Bobby, clean your room. Bobby, clean your room.
No! I'm done. All right, Bobby's done talking. He's done talking there.
Let's jump into the Bitcoin shark.
He drank too much Mountain Dew, guys. He can't even speak right now. He is on a Mountain Dew high right now. So we're gonna get back the helmet on, and we're gonna. Bob's a bit blurry. He drank too much Mountain Dew, guys. He can't even talk. But yeah, Fear and Greed Index looks good. The retail is starting to FOMO back in. Oh man. Bob. Oh, you guys are killing me in the chat, bro. I can't see. I try to do it, and I can't even be serious anymore because you guys just start saying LOL and laughing faces, and I can't do it. All right, Bitcoin looks like it's starting to consolidate again, for some type of move. Dude, that guy's car, bro. You need to get that crap fixed, dude. What the hell? All right. That guy's probably clearly not invested in crypto. Jeez. All right. Bro. Why is it squeaking like that, dude? Bro, what is wrong with that guy's car, dude? Guy needs to get a better friggin' guy needs to invest in some damn crypto. Jeez. Dude. Alright. That damn friggin' car, bro. Alright, you kind of gonna take like an upwards channel. I don't know. It's not perfect for BTC, but looks like we're kind of just maybe forming some type of upwards channel here. It's not perfect, but sounds like a fan belt. Buy that guy a new alternator belt. Oh, I'm dead, dude. Oh, someone said it's Bob's door. Someone said it's Bob's DoorDash driver. I'm dead. Oh, man. You guys are too funny, dude. It's Bob's DoorDash driver. Cardano's going nuts finally. All right, let's see. All right, yeah. Cardano 131 right now. Here we go. Here we go. Finally breaking that resistance for Cardano. It's good to see. I mean, if we just look at if we just look if we just look at this resistance here, 132. We break this to the upside. Sorry, I gotta keep my cool here. Woo! Come on, Jordan, you can do it. It's not really a lot of resistance. I wish I gotta go to the 4-hour on this. I mean, there's really not much here. Dude, you guys have the gems in the chat. I can't. All right. If you just look at this, I think basically your next resistance. No, we're not talking about basically the Bank of Canada. You got 1, 2, and I think you got pretty much 3 touches on the top here. I think 136 is probably your next resistance here for Cardano, at least on the 4-hour. Looks really good though. You're about to break this resistance. Looks freaking awesome. Finally, we're getting some moves for Cardano.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
We're going to the freaking moon on Cardano. Woo! Killing me, guys. Man. Can the car be a character? That's true. Bob's DoorDash from McDonald's. I'm dead. What will ETH be worth this year? I have no idea. I've always said 10 to 15K by the end of the cycle for Ethereum. I don't know when the end of the cycle is going to be. I'm starting to believe that under the assumption that the end of the cycle is going to be towards next year. Kind of the elongated cycle theory. So I think Ethereum will hit between 10 to 15K. Personally, it could go higher than that, right? If we start getting some serious FOMO, some serious institutional adoption for Ethereum could go higher than that. Who knows? Who knows? That's just my personal opinion. Obviously, do your own advice, do your own whatever. But you guys get the general sentiment here. All right, looks like we're bouncing. We're bouncing here off the support again here for BTC. Dot's mooning right now. Dot and Link. I'm pretty sure everything's probably mooning right now, guys. Like all altcoins are probably mooning right now. I'm still trying to breathe right now, so Polka Dot. Yeah, Dot's doing well. Not too much different. We looked at it before. I mean, 1680 is your next resistance for Dot. And then after that, it's I think you can go as high as bring this down here. I think right about here. 1975. Couple wicks, couple candle closes at that level. So yeah, Dot looks good. Bitcoin's trying to go again. 41,950. Nice little bounce off that resistance, guys. Could we have been some type of like really short-term triangle here? Like let's go to like the super small time frame. Let's go to a 3-minute. Actually, let's go to the 1 minute. I think we're in another triangle. Hold up. We're gonna go super small time frame here just for fun. Go Jimmy with your $600 stimmy. That's so true, Kane. You got your $600 stimmy. You're talking about Crypto Kirby, huh? Crypto Kirby. Could be another like short-term triangle here, guys. Obviously, this is the 1 minute chart, so take it for what it is. But still, could be looking pretty good here. We'll see what Bitcoin does here. If the measure move out of this, would be another touch up here at 42,500 or so. So we'll see what we do there. The hair is looking good. Wow. Big Daddy Bitcoin. We're going to, we got about to form another bullish triangle and pump back up to the upside. Let's see if this one plays out, right? Guys, look at this. Look at this breakout here. Look at this breakout for Bitcoin. We were talking about this ascending triangle, right? From top to bottom. Look exactly where Bitcoin went to. Let me get it perfectly there. Look. Not perfect, but look. You pumped almost to that measure move target. Let's see if this one plays out relatively the same. It depends. If you want to take it from the wick up top, I mean, I guess you could do that if you're being super sentimental. Guess you can do something like this. If you really want to stretch it out. I don't know. I don't like counting those big wicks on the upside, but you know, if you really want to go that route, we'll start it with the wick. If it doesn't make sense, we'll put it back to how it was before. All right, but let's see if this one plays out. 42,750. We'll keep that over here. All right. Still laughing about Bob's car. it's Bob's DoorDash car. Man. I'm not done loading my bags. Bears hiding in their caves right now. We'll see. We'll see what happens for the Bears on the next episode of Bitcoin Pumps to the Upside. Woo! Man. I'm still trying to breathe, guys. What a night. What a night. I have so much fun on these streams, man. It's ridiculous. I literally don't have to go to the gym tomorrow because I burned so many calories between ETH pumping last night and my dancing skills today. So overall, the amount of calories that I burned the last 2 nights, we're good to go. Actually, let me get rid of this. I'm gonna do a little bit better of a line here. We're gonna go here, up from the 2 wicks. So it's a little bit more accurate. A little bit more accuracy here. And then we'll see what we do here. A little bit more accuracy, right? Wick to wick to wick. We're obviously on the 1 minute chart. Very, very non-Simon-like. I know a bloke called Jim. Good night, Mike. Take it easy, dude. Take it easy. All right, guys. Members, before it gets too late, before you guys start dipping, we're going to call the members only live stream tomorrow. Let's do 9 a.m. 9 a.m. sound good? We're going to do a 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Early morning live stream for all the members. Okay, so 9 a.m. to 11. So if you're a member, come join, come hang out. We'll be talking about a lot of stuff. I'll basically take all your guys' questions. We'll look at a bunch of different charts. Anything you really want to talk about. We'll hang out. We'll have fun. But it's basically just for you guys tomorrow. And then obviously we'll be live from 7 to 10 as usual every single night, like we always are here. Like we always are. Because that's what we do here. That's what we friggin' do. It was like we broke. The media says Bitcoin stops at 500K. 500K? I'm not going to say it's impossible because Bitcoin's done some crazy things. Crazy things. Oh, 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. That's 6 a.m. West Coast. Crap. All right, let's do... it's going to be at... Let's do... All right. 10:30. 10:30 Eastern Standard Time. Does that sound better? 10:30? 9 a.m. Boston time? All right, we'll do a... Would you guys rather have 9 a.m. or 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time? Let me know. Let me know in the chat. All the East Coasters are probably going to say 9, and all the West Coasters are probably going to say 10:30. Can you become song Helicopter? There'll be pancakes. Facts. Oh yeah, guys, I'm gonna post my second channel, not my second channel, but my backup channel in the chat here. Go subscribe to my backup channel just in case, you know, some shenanigans go down, like we've seen a lot lately. All right, so make sure you guys go follow my backup channel. I posted it in the chat here a few times. And it's also in the description if you guys want to go subscribe to that. So in case there's any shenanigans, you'll be able to find me. And I'll stream there in case of any shenanigans. Okay? I'm also working on some other thing to stream on, you know, somewhere else too. So make sure you guys are watching out for that very, very shortly. Should have that set up shortly. West Coast, whatever works, 10:30. 10:30, 10:30, 10:30. All right, everyone's saying, let's do it later. Like, all right, pretty much everyone's saying 10:30. 9:50. 950. All right, we're gonna do 1030. 1030. I don't know if I can do most. I can see it pretty much everyone's saying 1030 because everyone wants to sleep. It's Friday night, right? No one wants to get up at 9 a.m., including me. So 1030 Eastern Standard Time. That's when we're doing it. Facts. All right. We chilling like a villain. Looks like Bitcoin broke down slightly here, just temporarily. Only 8:30. I feel like it's so much later because we started earlier today. We've been live for what, 2 hours and 30 minutes already, approximately, maybe a little bit shorter. I feel like it's so much later. It's only 8:30. It's actually kind of funny. I don't think we've ever done a stream that started before 7 o'clock, besides today, and like maybe 10 minutes early the other day. Throws me off. We're getting oversold on the 1 minute. No, we're dump. We're getting a little bit of a dump. It doesn't really looks like a lot here in the 1 minute, but it's really not a lot at all. It's really not a lot. Monkey said I like pickles. Yeah, I do too, Monkey. I really like pickles. I really like pickles. Let's go look at CoinMarketCap, shall we? Let's look at CoinMarketCap. The total Grodel market cap. Oh, I gotta do my song, guys. You guys don't like my song, but I'm gonna do it anyway. It's just for you, okay? Just for you, I'm gonna do my annual song. Until we stop the run, I'm gonna keep doing it, okay? So here you go, guys. Here you go, hold on. On the 10th green candle, Satoshi gave to me 42k BTC, 2400 Ethereum, and a bunch of bears falling from the tree. Give myself a clap. You guys are probably like, my earbuds. All right. I got to do it. And if we make it 11 day, we're going to go 11 day. Let's see if we can get the 12 days. We can get the full 12 days of Christmas. The full 12 days of Christmas for BTC. Braden said, oh my. An F major. Oh, man. I'm drowning cats. I sing like an angel. Oh, man. That's too funny. All right. I had to do it. If we have an 11th day, I'll do it again tomorrow. Just how we roll here. One thing I will say about the weekly chart. We're going to go to CoinMarketCap in a second. One thing about the weekly chart. Look at the stock RSI in the weekly. About to poke up here. Plenty of room to run. Look at the MACD on the weekly. About to curl up and about to turn green. The macro indicators here. Bro, I'm the first one to like pickles. This live stream is lit. Thank you, Blue Collar. We try to have fun. That's what we do. That's what we friggin' do. This stream is about about having fun. Because a lot of people still trade, right? I bet, but even the people that trade on this channel, that watch this channel, still have a HODL portfolio, right? So everyone has their trading portfolio and their HODL portfolio. We have fun in this channel because for the HODLers, the short-term price action really doesn't matter, right? It really doesn't matter. We're hodling for the long term. So we can have fun because the short-term swings, it's a joke to us. We don't really care. So, you know, that's why we have fun here. It's now, if you were like a super serious trader and you didn't have a HODL portfolio, it's probably not the channel for you, right? But, you know, and I'll tell you guys straight up, like, if you're a super serious trader, probably not the channel for you. If you're a hodler and you like to have fun, probably the channel for you. Okay. But yeah, MACD about to flip bullish. Stock RSI about to point up. We have so much room to run on these two indicators. It's absolutely nuts. Not to mention the regular RSI has plenty of room to run to the upside too. That's not even on this chart. So weekly looks super bullish, super bullish. We're about to paint a higher high in the weekly. If we can close above 39,000, which is looking pretty likely unless we get some, you know, a little bit of a dumpage before Sunday. But yeah, and that's really it. Oh, Dylan said, "No way, bro. I love your channel. I trade 24/7." Oh, I appreciate it. If you're a trader and you don't have a HODL portfolio and you still like the channel, thank you. Trade my hard-earned HODL wins. Nice. No, there's nothing. You guys are taking what I said wrong. There's nothing wrong with trading. I just think it's always good to have a HODL portfolio and a trading portfolio, right? We love you, but there's the door. Willie, you liked my song, man. You liked my song. Don't even argue it. Texas Scratchman, so let it be known throughout the land that the first one to like pickles, Monkey, no me. Juan became a member. What's going on, Juan? Thank you for becoming a member, man. And then where are all these monkeys coming from? There's so many monkeys in here. Is what it is. Do 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 do. Ba da ba boo. Ba da ba boo. And all right. I always just sit here and hum sometimes. All right. Let's look at the total market cap here. 3%. Bitcoin had the best day today out of all the top gainers. I mean, Uniswap did pretty good. Chainlink, 13% for Chainlink. I love me some Slink the Slink. People were sleeping on Link the Slink. I told you guys anything under 20 bucks was a steal for Chainlink. And Chainlink's about to really, really do well. I'm telling you guys. I scooped up a lot of Chainlink under 20 bucks. Not a lot else. I mean, Neo did really well. Not a lot else besides that. So that's Flow, Neo, Helium, Chainlink, Ox, the ones above 10%. Losers, not a lot of big losers. Not really anything. ICP continuing to be actually I haven't seen this in a while here. So shout out to ICP. So we got our memes here. Clique, Tenshi, Support Doge. Someone took a meme coin and made it into a support dog and called it Support Doge. You gotta be kidding me. You're gonna leverage a support Doge into a meme coin? I find that morally irresponsible. After me, chat. On the 10th green candle. On the 10th green candle. All right, I'll give up. I give up. I retire, guys. I retire. But yeah, support Doge. Ridiculous. Nothing else besides that, guys. I mean, overall, Bitcoin was the star of the show today. Was the absolute star of the show today. Really was. Jordan said, guys, I'm out working tomorrow. I need some sleep. Jordan, peace out, man. We saw the action we needed to see today. And we could continue up here. You know, I want you to go get some sleep, but here we go. There goes BTC. Trying to go. Just when you want to get them some sleep, Bitcoin just continues up. This was me the other night. Like I got off stream. I thought Bitcoin was done pumping. I got off. Bitcoin kept pumping, and I was listening to "Scare Money Don't Make No Money." Scare Money Don't Make No Money for like 3 hours straight in my room. Like just sitting here listening to "Scare Money Don't Make No Money," watching Bitcoin and Ethereum pump because that's what I like to do because I'm kind of a nerd. So there we go. Scare money, don't make no money. What's up, Gothic? Later, Bear. Jordan, don't quit your day job. Take helmet off? Why would I take helmet off? We had a super bullish day today. Makes no sense. It makes literally no sense. Here goes Bitcoin again. Going to 42,000. Scare money don't make no money. Long squeeze. Could be. All right. I'll take helmet off right now. What do you guys want on? You guys want anything on right now? We do a Viking helmet? No. Let's do, we'll just do regular head right now. Feeling regular head. Scare money don't make no money. Helmet looks so bad, but I love it. It's a meme, bro. The helmet is a pure meme. It looks so bad. It really does look so bad, but at this point, like, you can't change the original helmet. Like, we could have like a more legit helmet. I could make a more legit helmet, but at this point, it's a part of the stream how bad the helmet looks. Like, it's almost like trying to change like Brian Griffin's face from Family Guy. You just can't do it, right? It's a part of the it's a part of the meme stream, right? You guys want Chris? You guys want Chris right now? Laser eyes? Ew, not regular head? Who said that? SB? All 1 minute guest appearance. All right, we'll do Chris. We'll do Chris, just for you guys. Chris, you want to come on stream, bro? Yeah, you can talk ladies if you want. You can talk talk Bitcoin, talk ladies, whatever you want to do, man. I mean, the chat really hasn't seen you yet today. You were the host for like 2 days, and now the chat never sees you. You don't want to come on? All right, all right, you come on. All right, Chris is gonna come on, guys. Give me 2 seconds. Scare money don't make no money. What's up, guys? I haven't seen long time. No see, my friends. Bitcoin had a good day today, huh, guys? Yeah. I think Jordan had a pretty good stream today. If you guys also thought Jordan had a great stream today, make sure you guys hit that like button. Like, he really knocked it out of the park today. Yeah. You guys have had him absolutely dying in the chat over there. I was sitting over there on the bed, absolutely dying in the chat as well. You guys are hilarious. What's up, Justice? Hope you're doing good, man. If you guys are new to the stream, my name's Chris. I'm Jordan's brother. Jordan has, like, if you guys didn't know, Jordan has 3 brothers. Chris, right? I'm his twin brother. We have Jabba the Short. Always shorts Bitcoin, always gets wrecked. And we have Bob the Troll. He lives in the basement. He's 35, lives in the basement, and all he does is sit in YouTube chats and Twitter chats and troll. That's all he does. That's all he does. No net, Chris. Pencil net. We love cartoon Chris. This is cartoon Chris. We'll make a cartoon video? No. Basement Bob. All hail Bob. Chris, Chris, are you single? I'm always single. I rock the ladies. I mean, look at this hair. You cannot. I'm always single, bro. Why would I get in a relationship if the ladies just love me? Right? Ecoms, jazz. Come on. No name, ecoms, jazz. What else we got in here? We had Sunny. All my ladies in here. They know. Why would I be anything else than single, you know? That Oh man, I would watch this at AMC. Ladies are overrated. Fact. Trading is dope. I love you. Thank you. What's up, Algo? Bitcoin at the supply line, descending triangle. Looking hot, Chris. Thank you, Carla. Thank you, Carla. Appreciate all my ladies out there. They love me. They love me. All right, I'm gonna give back to Jordan because I just wanted to quickly, just touch on my thoughts, about the stream today. Jordan doesn't want me to be on the stream for too long, and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. All right. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. I gotta go hit up Chainlink. Chainlink's my wife. All right. Not my wife. She thinks she's my wife, but she's actually my girlfriend. All right. I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna go hang out with Chainlink. See you guys. Freaking Chris, man. Chris, you can't take Chris too seriously. He's kind of crazy. Right? So anyone who's new to the stream, you can't take Chris too seriously. Please don't. How did you have a cap? Man. Inverted head and shoulders. Could be a little bit inverted head and shoulders. Yeah, I like it, dude. On the 1 minute chart, the left shoulder head and right shoulder action. Definitely could be something like that. Chris, stop texting me. That's funny. Chris, stop texting me. I don't want to go out with you. Monkey said I rock the ladies. Rick said XRP price prediction by the end of the year. I'd probably, so XRP is at, what is it at right now? 75 cents. I mean, considering I think most coins are going to do at least another 5x, I could definitely see $5 for XRP. That's obviously depending on what happens with all the legal stuff, but I could definitely see XRP going to $5, in my personal opinion. Let's get some laser eyes. Apparently the laser eyes blinded everyone. I can do the laser eyes for like 1 minute, right? Just because we're super bullish, obviously. But they are a little blinding for some people, so I'll do it for 1 minute, okay? 1 minute for the laser eyes. But we are super bullish, so keep that in mind. XRP, really want to know XRP price prediction. Farm, let's go. What's going on? What's going on in the chat? Tell Chris to stop texting me. You can't ask him that. Yeah. Stole my look. Michael Saylor. Yes, I did. We actually have Michael Saylor in the chat, actually, guys. You guys see Michael Saylor in the chat? I don't know why he doesn't have a check mark in his name, but it is what it is, as I would say. It is what it is, fellas. It is what it is. Bitcoin's kind of winding down here, guys. I'll probably call a little bit earlier stream today, just because I've got a couple things planned for tomorrow. I got to get ready. Obviously, we got the stream in the morning, stream at night, so I got a busy day tomorrow. But might call it early today. I guess it's not really early. We've already been live for what? Close to 3 hours now. Why isn't XRP on Coinbase Pro? I don't know. Good question. That's a really good question. It's on regular Coinbase, isn't it? Could be wrong. Maybe it's not. I swear it was on there last time I was on Coinbase. Maybe it wasn't, though. Mr. Sailor, always welcome here. All right, guys. I'm probably going to end up calling a stream. Once again, go follow my, the backup channel there. I'm posted a bunch of times in the chat there. Go follow the backup channel just in case some shenanigans go down like they've been going down lately in the crypto world. I posted a couple times in there. Also, go follow me on Twitter too, so you can stay updated from me if anything else happens. And actually, subscribe if you guys are new. Obviously, leave a like before you go. Mostly, just go subscribe to the backup channel and go follow me on Twitter. And make sure you guys become a member if you guys want to be a part of the member-only live stream tomorrow. We'll be having it at 10:30 Eastern Standard Time. If you guys want to join, links right down in the description. So you guys become a Jordan Knight member, press that. Become a member if you would like. Obviously, no pressure. Do it if you want to do it. And other than that, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. We'll see if Bitcoin gets some more pumpage going into tomorrow. Should be pretty fun. Let's freaking go. But anyways, awesome stream. You guys had me literally dying laughing in the chat. Always love hanging out with you guys. Thank you guys so much for making every day an absolute blast on stream. I can't thank you guys enough. Got some of the best people in here. Literally, you guys make my day every single day. I'll be hanging out in the Discord after the stream today as I'm kind of doing some chores and stuff around here. I'll be hanging out in the Discord. So if you guys want to join the Discord, go join the Discord too. Awesome people in there as well. Can't say enough about the people in there too. So I'll catch you guys later. As always, make sure you guys don't panic sell your crypto. And most of all, make sure you guys don't panic sell your crypto. All right, guys. Peace out.